Oh, they're going everywhere. Hello. Hey everyone. Okay, so today is my favorite mascaras of 2020. Nothing divides quite like mascara because it's really such a personal product. It really is. You either love them or you don't. So let's make a start. First one is IT Cosmetics Tightline. I love this. Micro brush, able to get into the very root, pull up. I like to use this as a primer and micro coats, which I'll explain in another video. The Climax, I believe it's called the Climax Mascara by NARS. It's a really good mascara. It's really good. Really pleased with it. What's another one? Marc Jacobs. This is actually the kind of primer, but I do find it to be quite useful. And it does give a better effect when using it. So it's kind of worth it for that regard. Shiseido, this is the Controlled Chaos Mascara Ink. Great brush. Really, really nice mascara. And, you know, people say, you know, the companies, they just give you such nonsense about mascara, and they use ads and there's all these lashes that they've put on. You know, mascara should make your lashes longer and darker and thicker. That's it. This one is a great one. It's L'Oreal and it is Voluminous Ultra Black by Terry. This is such a good one. Comes with a twist wand. So you get your standard wand here and then you give it a twist and it thickens. It's a great mascara. Really, really good. Oh, this is great. So Little Black Primer by Este Lauder. This is a great one. It's really quite dry. And again, I like to use this as a sort of priming one for micro coats that I mentioned with IT Cosmetics, but this is a really nice one. Don't know if they still make this, but Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced. I love it. I think it's fabulous. Really, really fabulous. That's a great mascara. What else? Oh, we've got so many. Bad Girl Bang. The names of these things. Mascara by Benefit. Silly boy. Benefit. That's a really good mascara. What is this? Oh, Hourglass. Extreme Lash Mascara. Everything's extreme and large and extra and big and, you know, it's a mascara for God's sake. But it's a really good one. Really, really good one. Oh, this is good. So I love this. Roller Lash by Benefit. I like it. I really like the wand. I think that wand is quite a beautiful, it's my face again, quite epic. We've done, oh, I actually like this by Milk. It's Kush Mascara. And it's a really big wand. And who doesn't love a big wand? That's all I can say. So next couple, okay, so we'll go with Volume 2, Legendary Lashes by Charlotte Tilbury. This is a great one. I like the original, but a lot of people did not like it. I found it ended up all over their face. So speaking of Charlotte Tilbury, one that I really like that I did not enjoy in the beginning, now I use it very differently. I use this again with micro kind of lash technique, but this is the Pillow Talk one. Horrible, horrible application, but now I just comb it through with the bristle end, not that awful flat end, and I have a great time. Uma, this is the Drama Bomb. I really like that company. They're a really nice company, so it's an absolute pleasure. There is a bit of a whiff to that one, which is strange. KIKO. We're nearly at the end, I promise. This is a great little wand. Maximod. That's a little tiny baby wand. It's beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful. And finally, we're going to pick Smoky Eye Mascara from Bobbi Brown. That's lovely. There you go. That's my favorite mascaras. That's all my mascaras. Right here. Let me know what your favorite mascara is. And I'll put all the links in the description bar. How jolly. See you all soon. Bye-bye.